Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install OpenCode desktop app and also the CLI. Okay, so just search OpenCode on Google and then click OpenCode. Then we have the downloads button here, then download for Windows. It depends on whatever device you have, but we're using Windows this time. So after it's installed, just click Open File and it's installing automatically. Okay, so I think it's already done. Okay, wow, that's fast. Yeah, so you can use free models here, just like these ones. And let's type if it works. Okay, yeah, it works. Let's proceed with the CLI. Now, I do recommend installing it via NPM. So just search Node.js and then click the download, or maybe let's just go to the website and then click get Node.js. And then just click Windows installer, then click open file. It should be pretty easy to just download everything. Okay, just click next. Okay, next. Install. Okay, once that's done, just click finish and then click open code. Copy this npm, and then if you're on Windows 10, you won't have terminal. So just go to the Microsoft Store and just install their terminal. Now let's get back to the terminal and just paste this one. Now a lot of people would have this sort of a problem, and honestly you could just copy paste this whole thing on Google and then you'll have your answer right here. Feel free to do your own research, but yeah, let's just copy paste this one and then just install OpenCode CLI. Now that OpenCode is installed, you can just type OpenCode and yeah, it works now. So you can run /connect to connect to your provider if you have a ChatGPT. Now, which should you use? So desktop, use a desktop if you're new to terminals. But honestly, if you're a beginner, just use Hermes Agent. And I just have the perfect tutorial for that. Now, I like the CLI more, honestly. Well, it is just my preference, of course. But yeah, they have the same engine, they have the same API keys, same everything. But just do beware that the free models here, trains on your data. I do think it has 200k context window only. Well, the original Mimo 2.5 has 1 million context window. But yeah, it's fine. But I did get rate limited here, so just be careful. I'll have a video about how to use Mimo code also. But yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.